Today is day 16 of the 365-day project. So we are going to talk in detail about diagnosis, prevention and treatment of influenza. Majority of the influenza cases are clinically diagnosed, but outside epidemic situation, the infection with other respiratory viruses such as adenovirus, parainfluenza virus also present with influenza-like illness. Hence, the clinical differentiation from influenza and other viruses is very difficult. So, outside of epidemic situation, laboratory methods are required to confirm diagnosis. Laboratory confirmation is done using throat, nasal or nasopharyngeal secretion and tracheal aspirate by direct antigen detection or detecting influenza-specific RNA by using RT-PCR and virus isolation. Serum diagnostic tests are also routinely done, namely heme agglutination inhibition test, which detects the strain of virus a person is infected with, and ELISA. Normally, all human beings have influenza antibodies, but a 3-4 or 4-4 increase in antibody is essential to confirm influenza diagnosis. The 3 C's to prevent the influenza flu include cover, cleanse and contain. Cover. While sneezing or coughing, cover your nose and mouth with a tissue and then dispose the tissue off properly into the dustbin. Please do not sneeze or cough into your hands like so, as you'll be sneezing or coughing infection onto your hands and then you will be touching things with those infected hands. Try to sneeze or cough into your elbow like so, as you will sneeze or cough your infection onto the clothing and not into air and then spreading it to other people. Cleanse. Please try to wash your hands properly and thoroughly for 20 seconds by scrubbing them under clean water with soap and then drying them properly with a clean towel or even letting them air dry. You can use a alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Please do not touch your own eyes, nose or mouth with your hands, as this is the way infection gains entry to your body. Contain. If you are feeling sick or if you have symptoms of the flu, please stay at home and do not risk spreading the infection to other people. Please do not maintain close contact with anybody who is infected. Vaccination is the most effective way to prevent influenza. Safe vaccines are available and have been used for more than 60 years. Protection from vaccination decreases over time. Hence, annual vaccination is recommended. That is, you need to take the vaccine again every year. The virus strain in the vaccine should match with the virus strain that is currently circulating. So, the currently circulating virus strains are constantly monitored and the vaccines are updated each year. For healthy individual, vaccination provides protection and prevents the illness even if the vaccine virus does not match with the currently circulating virus. Whereas for people who are in the high-risk group, vaccination is not that effective in preventing illness. It decreases the severity of the disease and also decreases complications and death. Hence, annual influenza vaccination is recommended for pregnant women, children under 5 years of age, the elderly people, healthcare workers, individuals with chronic medical conditions and immunosuppressive conditions. Trivalent vaccines consists of 3 strains including 2 of the currently circulating influenza A subtypes and 1 of the currently circulating influenza B strain. Quadrivalent vaccine includes, apart from the 3 strains of the trivalent vaccine, in addition to that it includes 1 more influenza B strain. Hence, it gives wider range of protection against influenza B strains. There are live attenuated vaccines which are available as nasal spray, whereas recombinant vaccines are available as injectable forms.